Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sadia Sadeh. I am from HMB High School. This crash course is very helpful for me. Coaching is good for me. Zamrud sir class is very good. This maths class is very helpful for me. And Kannada ma'am. Asya Baby ma'am is very much good teaching.
ओके, जिनको इंग्लिश में समझ में नहीं आया, क्या आप थोड़ा उर्दू में भी बताएंगे कैसा ये क्लास रहा 40 दिन का?
ये क्लास बहुत मेरे वास्ते हेल्पफुल है। ये बहुत अच्छा क्रैश कोर्स था। थैंक यू।
Okay, one more last question to you. Like, what is the result you are aiming in SSLC public exam, and what you want to become after completing your education? Can you say?
My score is above 90%. I want to become lecturer.
MashaAllah. Let's give a big round of applause to Sadia.